3 bolo. Okay, 1 2 3. Hi, welcome to TechRiff channel. So today we are going to show you how to set up, configure and installation of the Hub M3 panel. This is the Aqara Hub M3. So this Hub M3 panel, it has two type of sources. One you can connect to the C type cable and other one is the PoE. In the PoE it will get data as well as power. So and it will come with the base. So if you want to install in the any panels, you can install this base and just you can plug it from like this. So it will fit like this and it will show like this. So after that, once you install, then give the whether you can give the power and connect to the Wi-Fi, or else install and give the RJ45 connector or the PoE. Then it will start to, it will get power and data both as well, and it will start to work. So RJ45 connector. So plugging, then it will start. This yellow means startup. So once it is come set up, so this yellow light will be blink. Once it blink started means it is in setup mode. This is the Aqara app. So if you are new, then just create from the sign up account and you can create from here. So this is my old ID, already I created. So this is the one. So I'm going to log in. Just click on the privacy and give the. So this is our main page. So now I am going to add this hub, M3 hub. So yes, now I am going to add the devices. Just go for the plus mark here. Add accessories. Once you add accessory, so it is in already this in the setup mode. So the hub will be appear here. Just press on this and scan here the QR code. So now the device is connected to the application. While connecting your mobile Wi-Fi and this network should be in the same network.
Welcome aboard.
So if just this is the Hub M3. So we are in the ground floor. Just you will change it as a ground floor and give the location here. So you just give the whatever you want, storage room, living room, anything you want. Just I'm going to give living room, kitchen. Okay, then next. So if you want to give the symbol and all things, just you can select from here. If you want to connect to the if you have any Matter devices, you can connect from here. So I don't have any Matter devices. Just I'm going to skip it. And you need to update this to the latest version. So this is in the previous version. So I'm going to update it for the latest version. So we have some more features in this M3 hub. This is infrared remote controls. So you can control your AC and your any equipment which is working with the infrared, you can control from here. So if you add the remote, so it will add in your device. From the Aqara app you can control from here. And this is the hub control. So how the hub control is work, hub cluster is work. Suppose you have 2-3 M3 hubs, the same network. So when you enable this hub cluster, so all the hubs will be become one. That means if you add in the second floor, first floor, so it will show in the everywhere and you can control from everywhere. This is called as hub cluster. And this is the Matter. These are the Matter devices. Matter control device. You can add any Matter control like Nest generation 4. It is Matter control device that you can add it here. that kind of device you can add. And this is air conditioning. You can select the brand and you can add your air conditionings. And this is accidental removal protection. Very important is accidental removal protection. Once you did all the configuration, please enable the accidental removal protection. Once you enabled, no one device will get reconnected or deleted from the application without your permission. Suppose if you switch off this, so if any device are faulty, this will disconnect from the application. Please enable before setup. Now our hub is updated successfully. Thank you, done. So this means blue color is solid, means the device is connected to the network. This is normal condition. So when there is no Wi-Fi, this blue will blink. If it is solid, means the hub is working fine. So in this, so we have many options, like you can change the hub languages if you want anything. So we are in Dubai, mainly we are working for English, so we have selected the English. And here, if you want to restart the hub, if it is any problem, you can restart the hub also. Here it will restart. And third party matter ecosystems. In this you can add any third party devices to this hub. And once you set up all the devices, you can see from here how many devices are added. So still I am not added anyone. So this is network information. So we are connected to the PoE, Ethernet wide, and you can see the IP address and MAC address of the hub and Zigbee signal and the Bluetooth MAC address. You will get everything here. So this is the concept today. So this concept is for future is very good. So for get the continuous updation from my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so to get a continuous videos. If you want to know any devices updation, installation, configuration, please comment in the comment section so I can make a videos for your comments. Thank you so much.